How to zoom in and out in CapCut. This tutorial shows you how to add a smooth zoom effect to your video on your Android device. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device. After that, tap on your project or create a new one and import your clip. From there, tap on the clip in the timeline to select it. At this point, tap on Animation from the bottom toolbar. In the next step, you'll see three options: in, out, and combo. Following this, tap on in to add a zoom in effect at the start of the clip, or tap out for a zoom out effect at the end. Once done, select the zoom option from the animation styles and adjust the speed slider to control how fast or slow the zoom effect plays. Finally, tap the check mark to confirm and play back your video to see the smooth zoom effect in action. And that's it. If this CapCut guide helped you add a zoom effect to your videos, give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.